If you're interested in making money online, this video is for you. Hi and welcome back. I'm George Pierce and I want to thank you for watching. This video is about affiliate marketing, and it's about an affiliate marketing training series that I'm going to be releasing here shortly. And it's what I'm going to call Slooow affiliate marketing. And it's essentially going to be level 2 affiliate marketing, which I'm already sharing with you, but I'm going to do it step at a time and one subscriber at a time, one page at a time. What I've been sharing on level 2, I think, has kind of been muddying up the waters and kind of overwhelming people that are trying to learn what I'm sharing, and I apologize for that. That's my fault. Kind of like a teacher giving you too much homework. And what you need to do is learn the level 2 process. Then what you need to do is go back and learn how to multiply your efforts by 10, 15, or 20 times. What I have done on the level 2 process is I have shown you level 2. I've also added how to multiply the process by 10, 15, or 20 times. And what that has done is pretty much, I believe, created a state of confusion, a state of literally being overwhelmed, feeling overwhelmed, and so on. And so it's not really helping you. It's almost counterproductive. So what I've done is I've gone back to the drawing board, basically going to do level 2, but I'm going to do it slow. We're going to go step at a time. I'm going to go through the whole process, including the email process. We're going to include a bridge page. We're going to include making their campaigns. We're going to go through the whole process, but we're going to do it one at a time so that you can learn the process. Then, when you have the process down, once that process starts to become automatic, then it's time for you to go back to my level 2 series and learn how you can do 10 or 20 campaigns at one time, how you can do 10 or 20 squeeze pages at one time, and so forth. How you can use one capture page and one bridge page for many campaigns, just making a few small changes, and so on. So these are ways that you can explode your efforts, but when I add this kind of duplication or multiplying again by 10 or 20 times to the level 2 process, in my opinion, I've overwhelmed you. I've given you too much, so that's almost counterproductive. So this is the reason for this video is I'm going to be doing a sort of affiliate marketing level 1.5. And I'm going to call it slow affiliate marketing because we're going to just go slow, step by step through the process. It's going to be a bunch of videos because it's not the kind of thing that you can just learn in one video. And I apologize, but when you go to somebody's website and in 15 or 30 minutes you're going to learn a process that's going to make you $1 million a month, no, it's not going to happen. They're skimming over it. They're giving you a good overview, let's say, but they're not giving you enough of the nuts and bolts and enough of the details. And that's what I am going to share with you and what's so important. I brag about being heavy on the how-to, but that's what I've discovered that I needed. In order for me to get from A to B, I had to get that how-to. The overview was great, but it doesn't teach me how-to, how do I do this? So I need to have that how-to. So I'm going to kind of be heavy on the how-to because I feel like you need that how-to as well. So I apologize. I don't mean to talk down to you. My training is not meant in that way at all. I share my knowledge with love, and I hope that you will take it and go with it and make a ton of money, which you should. But again, I apologize because I think what I've done in level 2 is put too much information in there and kind of muddied up the waters and made it a little bit difficult, if not impossible, for a lot of people to learn the level 2 the way that it should be learned. So I'm going to, again, that's the reason for this video. Level 1.5, I'm going to call it Slow Affiliate Marketing. Be on the lookout. If you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe and ring the bell, and that way you'll be notified when these videos are published. But I'll be starting my slow affiliate marketing series, and it's going to be pretty much an all-inclusive series where we're not going to miss a trick. And to the best of my knowledge, you're going to be learning one of the best systems, my system. That's the best system, right? But you are going to be learning a system that works, and I think it's the best because what I try to do and what I will be doing in a series is I try to keep you what I call closer to the money, which is simply a discovery that I made because I got way the heck over here, which is way away from the money. I'm chasing all the affiliates, and I'm working on the creation, and I'm doing all these good things, but they're not the right things. They're not the important things. So I'm going to try to help you get your focus back to the important things, the right things, and part of that is to be able to find the buyers. So that's, again, that we're going to highly emphasize staying close to the money. And I'm still going to try to share with you how to do things as quickly as possible. Even if we're only doing one page, there's no sense in spending 30 minutes on something that we can do in 30 seconds. And I'm not saying that you're going to do it in 30 seconds, especially not the first time, but that 101st time, you might find that you're doing it in less than 30 seconds because it just becomes habit. In fact, I don't think about it, I do it. And you're going to get to that, you're going to get in that same pattern, that same habit, so that you're not only doing what you're supposed to be doing, you're doing it as fast as you can. And the idea, the bottom line is that you're going to be getting, then when you get to that level, when you get to that stage, with my Slooow affiliate marketing training, when you get to that stage, then I strongly, highly suggest, I virtually insist that you go to my level 2 series, because now you're ready to learn how to do 10 or 12 or 20 campaigns at one time. 10 to 20 campaigns at one time. That's a fact. And how you can use one video or one campaign again, basically for all 20 of them or all 200 of them. So extraordinary time savers, but very confusing when you don't know the process. So let's get that process down. Let's get that process down pat. That, again, is the reason for this series. And I just wanted to give you a heads up, and I do appreciate your watching. I thank you. I do appreciate it. Allow me to wish you much success.